presenter Vini.
Monene Nerod Yeso.
He weekend ya tabua tumuru biurumba. Tari weekend nonya. Yukumanya iguru y'ikingaro cyarumba. Ababugi baye. Ase baruete. Kiriya bagotera. Nayanda mange. Rumba.
Mega. Okabelanga mosolo tela kisanga mosala.
Rumba. Rumba.
Hey! Mwacho muriyo Ndizi TV kunga rumba. Yaikire bono nigero ere morero moto muziki ya bakulutu. Omuziki oliyo makon kabisa.
Merana na babu mkongwe kere Jumamosi Gocha Chinsa Isano na Ibere Goika Chinsa kianda Eriobwego kikigima
Tutire ngora kuchigoro tukini amaberera nkore pere binte bikongwe binte bibawo igwa yemwe nga yeba moyembe wayo igeko tabanga tomanyo musanyogo inyora nga niga abuka na ande manga chibandi nchira acheka chinyinge bwate taliki bwatensa Jumamosi kuchigoro igeka yembe ya Ndizi TV obwansu umugusikata tobese kobora
Ndizi TV ine nyagitari ya Kisii Eye Hospital nige kurupo karali bwensi vukuruwa ya maiso buna eye consultation kubweni ya glaucoma diabetic eye complication kubara maiso kubwate kanana barubu gutwara kimashini chikerero ichukobara enyomba yogo koreru kubara wuse theater yekerero boyo abanyagitari bubwate nigo bubwatu bumanyi bwegoro muno ngukora bali laser treatment na corneal transplant boyo mbabwate duka yoko nibiro bya maiso insurances buna NHIF APA UAP AAR Madison nechinde chinyinge batalire asinye gitari iyo irime y'umucukisi magiga y'izukuru y'oburoso ya Kisii Primary angena Kisii Stadium nabuku bakiresime asinamba enoti isano n'isatu Ibere enoti isatu eye mukianda kianda inye gose enoti isano na Ibere isano na Ibere isano n'isatu enoti isano na Ibere enoti kianda isano na Ibere gose enoti isano na enoti Ibere isano n'isatu enoti eye mu marakabere kianda isato Kisii Eye Hospital macho bora maisha bora.
Mukasome mwanche muligereria na inde nenga kengi yango kwaregani asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira y'ubwenge egere tororenga nararia ya gendrete asense ito ya Kenya naboko gendera gutubwate gwetera asenchira ya mitandao Facebook tonyore buna Ndizi TV News nabo igensemo ya YouTube tonyore buna Ndizi TV News ogendere konyora ya iga amo na yanda mange rero nirituko lya Ijumaa tariki 13 umutinyo gatatu umwaka w'ikirwa Ibere na 2022 ngakieri bono riri tukulia gatano asaboro kiwa bakirasi 12 abo bagendera tugoikaransa asamate mwabo asenchira y'ubwikirano nigotogo sabanga tugendera kubasabira egere bakore bya asamate mwabo koiranande asegeke kekerobosyo egere nkumanyinga nararia ya gusetwa kwariganire koruga igase studio. nje ni gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita amonori tukubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyiririo nigakoro kwa Joshua auta nigo toko ya chaka korwa sensemo yechisemi abwase umurikyo botambe oyotenere tamangana yo gwikira ni umoroberio OCBC asense ito ya Kenya Professor Fatuma Chege nigo bona ene kirebuno umoroberio CBC gwikira bono nigo genderete bya abwasate bira borokibwa bali bakorero gotemwa gwitira asumoroberio yo nigo bagenderete bya nande nigo banywa nchire kigima nigo baigo aboliri abakenya bonsi anene mona abaiboli koyo itabana koyo nchirana umoroberio yo unenchere ya moyo kinya ebirengo byechisemi asense ito ya Kenya
ya darasa la 6 katika muhula ambao unakuja na imeendelea vizuri sana na sana tunasema ni muhimu kuongea na wale watoto ambao wanasoma huo msimu wa CBC na kuwauliza how do you experience this CBC. Wale ambao tumezunguka tunaona wanafurahia na wanaweza kuonyesha ujuzi wao wa masomo kwa vitendo. Hii imeendelea vizuri sana na wamefika sasa hata kutengeneza masomo ya kidato cha 7 na 8 ile tunaita junior secondary. Tukiangalia upande wa kaunti nyingi katika hii sehemu ya katikati na nimejionea mimi mwenyewe ni madarasa ambayo yamejengwa kwa muundo mmoja. Ukiangalia yote katika taifa la Kenya hayo madarasa ni model moja.
Abarai na banasiasa litukurigoro nigo batwareta maigerio gose bali bamanyikanite buna aspirants batwareta maigerio asensemo ya Nairobi igoro yoko na chagoswa kwebyama ebibagane byama gose Office of the Registrar of Political Parties ekora wano musubati aninderitu na ikiranete asomosangerekano yo abwasaru etobosemya gocha sabana siasa abo kuna chali morioka na indasobwango ngankai bagwenerete kogenda kubuli birogo byabo kurwa na ande nkurwa kiamaki nigo baigo arweto bosemya gocha sabana siasa bali batarengeti gocha gusiria mabagabo gwetera senchira ya nominations waswa ase ekiama gosegoswa sensemo ya independent elimbanya rakoba bagusiria mabagabo nigo baigo arweto gukuru gotindi gocha sabana chama gosabana siasa bali bakurwa ase kiama ndego cha sekende batali kubwatia machiko bune kiombe gosebuna lichiko liekiama ligoteba tigatonyora roboti oru asenchira yo goikirano.
True, there's a window of 10 days as the law and timelines remain right now. But you are told this morning that there's a bill that is there for Elections Act that is likely to cross that window. My advice to you, dear aspirants, if you want to be an independent candidate, decide now. And you come and clear you and give you a SEBO of Registrar of Political Parties is when you participate in party nominations. And after that, unaharibia party jina. Nasema hao wamenifanya vibaya sana. That's why I'm going as a independent candidate. If you do not believe in party processes, the best thing is you go as a independent candidate and you decide that early. Tipaga every election. Uchaguzi ikiisha unakuja unatafuta sebo ingine because in between, because yours is for purposes of election, but for party is for posterity because it identify as an institution with that sebo. So the law does not allow you to keep that sebo for life.
Omo Senator bwe kaunti ya Kakamega Kelopas Malala nigobona atebire chinga kicheikire ase obomo gose coalition au chigendrete kubekimero belio asogo chora barai babo barachikura obomobo nigoba atebire korengana nere buna nigoba gucha komosira omokonyi bo marai bwense Dr. William Ruto koba oyo gucha kuriye kergo kibo president asense ito ya Kenya abwasa atebire buna omorai bwe kiama kia Amani National Congress Musalia Mudavadi nere uguchikoba omokonyi oruto nigoba abolirie abakenya korwa sensemo ya Western komosira Ruto asengenjo Ruto nigabwate ekerengeki ya guchiasa wa Kenya.
Coalition inajipanga ile makosa tulifanya kwa NASA sisi kama ANC we are not ready to commit the same mistakes tulifanya kwa NASA. Sisi kama ANC tunasema ya kwamba vile tumekubaliana, rais na yule ambaye atapeperusha bendera ya Kenya kwanza anaitwa William Samoei Ruto. Yeye ni wa chama gani? UDA. Sisi tunasema kiti cha deputy president katika Kenya kwanza ni lazima kikuje hapa kwa chama cha ANC na awe Musalia Mudavadi.
Moriki obotambe ase wizara y'oburendi bwaime Karanja Kibicho nigo atebire buna obusagani bogenderete ase ensemo ya North Rift anene mona ase county ya Baringo nigo gukwirirwa amono gusegetwa korwa ase ensemo y'abanasiasa amona barai ase ensemo yo niga yakwaneta ya chingaki aigete bosyo bwe komiti ebunge erietenendeta amang'ana y'oburendi abo ase Kibicho atebete buna oko gosoko bwaterana gati y'abarai amona abananchi bonsi na kukora irere ogokiana kwebikorwa by'obusalia ase ensemo yo ya Baringo.
Political incitement and competition. Can't lie that that's not there. The second one was the proliferation of illegal arms, and I think a cleanup of these arms was directed, but as you are aware that there is a terrain that requires a lot of tact to be able to deal with, and a number of measures have been taken so far as asked, and that's why I say Chairman depends on what we have understood as intervention from government. This will only succeed if both the leaders and the security agencies work together. The first one that has happened, we have, and was asked there, is deployment of formed units in that place. There was a request, Chair, to do recruitment of additional NPRs because it was stated there that the NPR issue.
Omoteneneri bwekiombe kia Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC Twalibu Mbarak nigo bona buriye obisi y'omusolo munene bwa serikali DPP korwo gochika asoko bwatwa kwa mugavana we county ya Kirinyaga Ani Waiguru amonoli bwensemo ya Lamu Fahim Twaha ase osaseri mocholi gotoka no botumikyo bobe bwese kibesa cya serikali abwasa tebire abagavana bande mbarororo abo bwateranirie na mamacho yobotumikyo bobe bwenibo amo namali ya serikali korengana na Mbarak nigatebire buna obisi ya EACC nigebwatetia machiko na gutuguterare amang'ana korwa sabo mwa Kenya kwanza buna nigeteneneire na serikali abwasa tebire nigo bakorega siabo korengana nelichi.
About 3 governors that we have recommended to be charged. They are from both sides of the political divide. We have investigated, we have found facts. Let the DPP give his consent, and we believe our cases against many governors, they are watertight. C is a very neutral body. We are a commission that is composed of all ethnic communities in this country, whether they are on this side of the political angle or the other side. So we work professionally. There's a very worrying trend in the country. If you go about MCAs, about MPs, there are quite a number of people who've got questionable characters, morally, not legally, and they are glorified by the public. And these are the fellows that in August, they'll be running your county.
And what EACC will do for us is to give us the information of a particular candidate. But as I said, it is until you're convicted in court. So it ends there. It is upon the parties, it's upon the people of Kenya to decide.
Omoraiwe kiama ya Democratic Party ojoba igoro monogalibwe bunge nene Justin Muturi nigatebire aguchakorosie kiame kyoboya ekikiaro setiwe amono moraiwe nsomokoro mwa Kibaki omwaka bwelibwe ya mochimikianda merongo kianda noyomo abwasa tebire boigo na ale ne kerenga kyogo chegosanga nabarai bali babwate kerenge kemo kyogo chegokonya abakenya Muturi nigatebire buna nale ganetie abarwanereri bonsi bali bakoliye ebirogo byoburai aso weswana ni kiama kyo ya Democratic Party asengencha atebire ni kiama kibwato morembe gitabwati gwanchereria kunde wensi nigatebire agucha gwikirania magenderero asense ya Kenya onyaba Kenya bagucha komwari baga na koba omurayo gatano asense iga nigaya kwanetaya chinga keumiranite n'ababwatani be kiama kyo korwa sense ya Manyata egutoka se county ya Embu. Mwanchu murigereria bono ayuna chiko gochera na inda senchera yo bwenge chigo chokoraga Chinsa ikomi chia bono magoroba kurendengwa kangambu ya asengencho gwachora kurigereria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwomogusi gendra gutubwatia gwetera senchera ye mitandao Ndizi TV News ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube biyamano sana producer na John Kebati asokwane kyabuna chibicha na Mariogi aikerero mwanchu murigereria asenchera yo bororo olitwa bwatirana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nako yaletera senchira yo bwenge nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Twitter.